lock and juggle both like me, cause no one got it like baby did.
Baby did.
Despite with a banger.
Who do I turn to when I'm knocked down for trying? No one cares about me, not unless if I was dying. Who do I turn to when I'm knocked down for trying? No one cares about me, not unless if I was dying. Welcome to the start of 2019. Now that thing has changed, as you can see. Yeah, this is how the wig looks in the middle part. Still thin. Still thin. What I recommended, how many stars would I give to this? I give it a 3 out of a 5 because it's just it's so thin. Like, I thought it was gonna be more hair to it. Then it slides back. And maybe I'll try to add some. I'm scared to even add some baby hairs because if I add some baby hairs, that's gonna cut the hair more and make it more thin. So yeah, I should pluck it. I'll pluck it. It's natural looking, easy to comb, doesn't feel synthetic at all. Smells good. It came with a wig stand, which is good. I needed that. Just so thin. And yeah.
Gotta lock and juggle both like me, cause no